Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, here I will present a presentation of my work on explanatory text. Prior to that, permission to introduce himself. My name is Rifarista Ramadanti from the 11th grade of Social Science 6, absent number 29. Let us directly discuss what is explanatory text. Explanatory text is a type of text that is believed based on scientific principle. This text aims to explain a phenomenon, whether natural or social, from a scientific point of view. Furthermore, the explanatory text has three structures, namely 1. General statement. The general statement section contains a general explanation of a topic or event being discussed. 2. Row of description. In the explanation section, there is information about the cause and effect of an event or phenomenon. 3. Interpretation. Interpretation itself has the meaning of giving impression, opinion, or key. It can also be interpretation. Okay, next I will give a sample explanation text. Mount erupting. Mountain eruption is one of the natural phenomena that occurs due to magma deposit in the bowels of the earth. The gas in the bowels of the earth is ejected with great power. Volcanic eruptions are one of the most extraordinary and enormous natural disasters, because volcanoes are created with very violent eruption. There are many volcanoes that are still active in Indonesia. Among the volcanoes that are still active in Indonesia are Mount Merapi, Mount Krakatau, Mount Tambora, Mount Toba, Mount Kerinci, and many other volcanoes. Cause effect, namely, due to the direct relationship with the earth plate boundaries, some volcanic activity is closely related to the relative active seismic zones. Among the sites that can be recognized before a volcano erupts is activity, such as changes in temperature and pressure that are quite at the boundaries of the earth plate. The cause various material in the form of water around the volcano to melt. In general, to melt rock is known as magma or incandescent liquid. The surrounding material will be interrupted by the magma through fractures that apart the surface of the earth. This incandescent liquid or magma is formed in the bowels of the earth because in the bowels of the earth the temperature is very hot. Then with this material, the gas will eventually be sent to that it becomes mixed with magma. Magma formation occurs at a depth of about 60 to 120 kilometers below the Earth's surface. Around the crater there is a magma which has a gas content. The location of the magma is under the pressure of the rock. As a result of this pressure, the volcano erupts and releases magma. Then magma released by the eruption of the mountain flame comes out of the belly of the mountain of to the surface of the earth. Magma and gas explode at the same time. Then create the hole create the main hole. From this hole, generally there is a lot of volcanic material that appears. That when the burst is finished, the area of the summit of Mount Merapi will look like a bowl with it a crater, while the main hole is at the bottom of the crater. Volcanic eruptions themselves cause positive and negative impacts as well as for people and life on Earth. The positive impact of the eruption was to make agriculture land more fertile. In addition, the material that is produced from the bowels of the earth can be used as the livelihood for the local community. Usually, it will be used for water resources and also for natural tourism in geothermal energy. Mainly, the negative impact of the volcanic eruption can have a direct or indirect effect on the surrounding community. The direct effect refers to its danger as well as the threat to living things. This is because the eruption volcano can release toxic substances, pyroclastic fall, and also hot clouds. Meanwhile, the indirect effect or impact is the presence of lava rain. The plantation area is damaged, the cause several types of diseases such as respiratory tract and so on. Closing. Therefore, to this day, one the most terrible disaster from the people is the eruption volcano. The greatness of the volcanic eruption can also split island and also create lakes. Thanks for watching. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.